and welcome back to my channel. It is Ashley here again. Hope you guys are having a fantastic, wonderful day. And I'm doing pretty good today. Just got off work, ate some Subway, which I absolutely love Subway. But I hope you guys are doing well today. In today's video, we have a new subscription to the channel. I actually canceled my Birchbox and my Macy's because I was really tired of getting itty bitty little samples that I really don't use, and then they just collect and they get old and then I have to throw them out because I don't use them in time. So today we have a brand new subscription. Today we have the Vela box. I do believe that that is what it's called. Yes, Vela box. And it is a candle subscription. There's different levels of like pricing that you can get. I got the cheapest pricing, which is $10 a month, and they send you a little candle and then a little extra gift every month. So I thought it was pretty cool. I absolutely love candles. Candles are one of my weaknesses. I buy them all the time. So I thought, why not give Vela box a try? And I will leave all of the I will leave all the information down below about the different size candles you can get and then their prices, along with their website link, which is absolutely in no way an affiliate link. I'm just going to leave it down there so you guys have easy access to it. So let's get into my first Vela box and see what kind of candle we got. And I'm not exactly sure how to open this box. It's like really, oh wait, there's a little tape thing. Let's see if I can cut it with my scissors here. I'm gonna stab my leg first. Alrighty, let's see. Maybe I can just, oh, there we go. Okay, so you open up the box and it looks like this. And like I said, I absolutely love candles, so I'm really excited about this box. And there's a little card in here. It says, "I'm so glad I live in a world where there are Octobers," which is amazing. I love October, not only because it's my birthday month, but I love fall. I love the cool weather, sweaters, sweatshirts, all that fun stuff that goes along with it. So here's the little card that came in the box. And then our little extra gift this month seems to be some, what is this, some tea. And the first little tea, and it's by Puka, I think is how you pronounce it. And this one is 3 ginger. It says, "A warming swirl of organic ginger, galangal, and golden turmeric." So there is the first little tea that we got. And then the second tea is by the same company, and it's Revitalized. It is a burst of warming organic cinnamon, cardamom, and ginger. So those sound really good. I don't drink tea very often, which I really love tea. I just drink a copious amount of coffee. I am a coffee drinker, but I will definitely give these teas a go and see how they taste. So I'm definitely excited about this. And then in the bottom of the box, we have a little card, another little card. This is, there are 2 times of the year, autumn and waiting for autumn, which is completely true. I'm not a summer girl. I like going swimming and things, but I'd rather the cool months. And on the other side, it just says, you know, hay rides and stuff like that. So there is this little card in there. And then we get into the actual candle. And this bag, it comes in a bag every month. And this bag is super cute. It has a little pumpkins on it. And it's a little drawstring bag. And then inside will be our candle. Here's the candle, and this is I do believe this is the 4-ounce candle. So if you get the $10 a month subscription, you get a 4-ounce candle plus their little treat, or their extra little thing that they put in it. So here's the little candle here. It is called Untamed Supply. It is a soy candle. And the bottom, it just tells you, you know, don't leave the candle burn while unattended. But this is called Untamed, and it's in the scent, I almost said shade, in the scent Hayride. And it's a 20-hour burn candle. And there's the little top of it. Oh, it smells like fall. It smells like pumpkins. It smells like apple spice. It smells really good. It is just a white candle. And these are all like handmade candles. They're very organic. They burn clean, which I'm very excited about. I don't have any kids, but I do have dogs. And also for me and my husband, I like clean burning candles. But that smells absolutely amazing. So here is this little candle here. So I really do like this subscription. I love candles. I love getting candles. So I really like it. And like I said, you can get bigger size ones. I think there's one where you can get a big one and a small one. Like I said, I will leave all of the information down below, but I absolutely love this. And this smells amazing. So actually, we're going to go ahead and do my other unboxing bagging. So this video isn't super short. The next thing I have is my Earfleek for the month of October. Earfleek is, I think it's like $3.49 a month, but I paid for the whole year, so they have that option. So I will also leave the link to their website down below. And it always comes in this little envelope. And there's also different categories that you can pick. I think I picked the fun and silly or something just to spruce up my earring collection. So we pull it out of the little bag, and it always has this little card with the lady with the purple hair, which always amuses me. And it has the same saying as always, just, hey girl, here's a fun pair of earring style just for you. Hope you love your new bling. And it says, share your new look for a chance to win a free year #Earfleek. So there is that little card. And then, whoops, I just threw the earrings over there. Earrings always come in this little baggie of bubble wrap. And then there's a little thing inside which always gets stuck for some reason. There we go. And I actually really like these earrings. They are little pineapples, and I think they're completely like super adorable. So we'll get these out and I can show you guys a closer look of them. Here is the little pineapples, and I think they are adorable. And they did come with the back. Some months they don't come with the back, so I have to email Earfleek, and then they'll send me a back for my earrings. I don't know if they just forget or what happened. But here is the pineapple again. I think they are super cute. I would definitely put them in later. I'm gonna cleanse them and with some alcohol. I always do that. Usually, sometimes I'm just like, I don't care, but I will put these in some alcohol and clean them. But here's the little earrings. I think they're really cute. So that is all that I have for this video. Like I said, Velobox, this is my first time at getting it, and I love it. These little candles are so cute. I'm always burning candles in the house. I love my house smelling very good, and especially for the fall months with the pumpkin spice scents and the apple spice and all that. I just love it. So with that being, sorry, I think I'm getting sick. I have a really scratchy throat, so I think I'm getting sick, and I'm sorry if my lighting's off. It is really dark outside, and all I have is my lights in this room and then my little lights behind me. So I don't have a ring light. Hopefully soon I'll have a ring light and my lighting will get better. But with all of that being said, that's all I have for you in this video. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe down below and hit that little bell notification so you get notified every time that I upload a video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!